Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about FYERS API version 3. Okay, so earlier, I've been dedicated some of the videos and even given the code for getting the access token, placing orders, getting historical data for the WebSocket. Okay, so we're utilizing FYERS first documentation with the first version, then we got second version. Okay, and then we got third version. So exactly at first version, I think the WebSocket data is not available. Okay, and in second they have been gave, but I think the WebSocket subscribe symbol were less. And in third they have been given, at least they have been improvised, and I heard around 200 symbols they have been given. They have been already launched this in 2023. Okay, so but I think I was happy with version 2. Okay, so I didn't change to version 3 documentations. Okay, I was utilizing version 2 only. Okay, so now what happens is, suppose we get this version 3 documentation. Okay, we can check some of the parameters have been changed, and around for the WebSocket they are offering at least 200 symbols. Okay, so I will give you some of the references, some of the URL. I've been already done videos. Okay, only few of the parameters and few of the installation will do wonders. Okay, so you don't have to change too much in the code. Okay, just give it like 1 or 2 3 things and we are good to go. Okay, so now what happens, our API key generation follows from same as in version 2 or first version. Okay, so it retains same, the app ID and secret ID remains the same. Okay, as we are utilizing. Okay, so it retains the same, and even the code retains the same. Okay, so only some of things which we are following earlier, we are not doing this as of right now, and we are utilizing this FYERS model only. They have been given this extra access token model to generate the token. Okay, so that's what we are doing. We are not utilizing this, and we are updating our FYERS API to as of FYERS_API version 3. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to do some installation, which will be like, say pip install FYERS_API version 3. Okay, so this is the thing which you have to do. So this installation will be get done and you will get updated to FYERS API version 3. I mean, you also have FYERS API version 2 with that one. Okay, so if you are facing issues related to data or order placement, maybe you can go with these things. Version 3, I think it is one of the best. I think the coding part and strategy, or you are playing with any of the parameters, it remains the same. And if you are facing any kind of irregularities, okay, better to change with the version 3. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Say now what happens if I have a version 2, in version 3 the models only change. So I already told you that they have been took out those access token. So all you have to do is from FYERS model only you can generate the access token. So instead of in this code, the change is required is, as of instead of access token, just say FYERS model, okay, dot access token. And in this what happens, you have to say FYERS_API version 3. That's it. Okay, rest of the things remains the same as FYERS API version 2. Okay, for that what you can do, you can visit my YouTube channel Profit Adda. Okay, you can check out those videos related to FYERS API version 2. The playlist is available, so you can check each and everything. So I've been done neat explanation, so go for it. Okay, and in this case what happens, only the required change which you need to do is this. So I will definitely give you the code and this API URL change. Okay, and else remains same. Okay, so you have to say api-t1.fyers.in/API/version 3. Okay, so generate auth code. So like that you have to go. Okay, so only of like this first thing, first URL, I think for the process is simple. You need to paste the URL, you will get the auth code, paste the auth code in this text folder. Okay, and run your file. okay, and you're able to generate the access token. So this is the thing which you need to do, and you're able to do all those things. Okay, so I must say that try this stuff. I'll give you the code, check link in the description, and for this stuff I think I've been already given as the change requirement. Okay, and rest of the things you can follow from my older version of the video if you need explanation. Okay, otherwise just change in API URL, okay, and change in your FYERS model session model, run the code, and you will definitely gonna get the code, I mean access token as well, with the auth code, and after that access token. Okay, so try this stuff. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me at my WhatsApp. Thank you.